Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from PCS Global Pvt. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I've talked about so many things. I've tried to provide you the basic knowledge as per my knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one profession, what are the things you need to do in an Excel interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I've tried to provide you the basic knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about something that is very interesting as well as informative also. That is how you can get promoted in your company as faster as possible. Okay. So guys, let's get started. So many people wonder how to get promoted at work, right? It's not as hard as it seems. All you need is a little bit of patience and a lot of hard work. Just make sure to not slack off and you will be well on your way to the job. So here are some tips I'm going to share with you. The first thing, proceed with a plan. A career plan contains your aspirations and course of action to achieve your goal. If you intend to be a CEO at 30, you will need to be promoted faster and jump many levels to reach the coveted spot. Okay, so this plan, as written and updated regularly, will progress tracker and a reminder to stay motivated. Okay, how to fulfill your career plan? Find a career that suits your skills and interests and allows you to grow. Choose an opportunity or choose a company that supports faster upward mobility and related to opportunity. Set a specific timeline via company direction within 5 years. The next thing you need to do, the second thing I will say, that is own your work. Your commitment to your job is evident in the effort you exert to uh, produce the most favorable outcome. Exceeding the monthly sales quota, winning a big client, or saving your company money. Among many things, get management to notice you and build your reputation as a reliable employee. Quality work and coupled with consistency may move you closer to job promotion. The next thing, taking ownership of your work also means being involved in the process from beginning to end. You ask questions, solve problems, collaborate, and be successful even despite a few instructions given. So the next thing is welcome feedback. How you perceive yourself may be different from how others see you. For a more unbiased or realistic view, consider what other people you work with say about your work. One-on-one meeting, okay, performance reviews, and the hurdles are perfect venue for getting feedback. So if you receive negative feedback, try not to react right away as some experts say. Clarify, take time to process the information and figure out the steps to address the concern. You can also tell your boss that you want to be promoted so that they can give you actionable insights. Okay, take the initiative. Sometimes super performance is not enough to move up in the company. So you may have a formality, declare your intent for career advancement. Given the right timing and the coordination with immediate boss or a formal later may be your ticket to get promoted faster or be up for the consideration. In your written request, build an airtight case on why you deserve the promotion. Talk about your qualifications and achievements backed by data. Also reveal what you can offer if you get the new skill. The next thing, polish your leadership skills. This is the most important thing. A step above your current position means more responsibility. You may have to handle a team and thus keep them under your guidance. Conflict issues and unpopular decisions do complicate things when managing people. So, in preparation for leadership roles, strengthen your interpersonal skills. Be the leader who can lead your team to victory and deal with setbacks, communication, empathy, active listening, and belong to a long list of traits for effective leadership. The next thing, work well with others. Your potential to be a great manager or team leader manifests in how you treat co-workers. So even without a leadership position, you can lend a helping hand when they get stuck with a problem. So you can also help your team and managers succeed in their growth. This goes without saying that you can ascend the corporate ladder without stepping on anyone. Your best competition can be yourself as you continuously work towards self improvement. Your manager's recommendation or co-workers' feedback may help you in your bid to get promoted. The last but not the least, that is invest in your development. Earning an advanced degree may fast track your promotion. Ask your HR about the qualifications for a managerial post or any mentorship program. These initiatives show your willingness to learn and humility. As you become a specialist in your field, your chances of getting promotions are good way increase. You will also feel more confident about yourself and your prospects. Learning how to edit photos, create ads, and other skills makes you flexible. Okay, so these are the things, guys, you need to do to get promoted. I'm just trying to give you some idea about, okay, in your company. So the most important thing, your proper skill set and your dedication towards your work is very important. So guys, in PCS Global, what we do, we are providing you the training in Java DevOps, we are providing you the training in Salesforce, in Union technology. So if you are a candidate who wanted to start your career through PCS Global, we are here to help you. There is another good news for you guys, that is we are going to start our EILP program one more time. So if you're looking for better opportunity, our EILP program is exclusively for you guys. You can communicate with us to get to know about the interview process and how the processes are going on. Because in the previous video, I have already declared that we stopped that process for some reason. So right now, we are going to start it one more time. So kindly connect. PCS Global is located in Bengaluru. PCS Global is in Bhubaneswar. PCS Global is in Kolkata also. Just connect and get the best from our side. This is for now. Bye for now. Can you subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and comment below.